Awesome. Welcome, everyone. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. We're going to be starting off the Vibe Coding Hackathon winners here. We're going to be just talking a little bit about each of their projects, and we'll kind of like share a couple of them. Should be pretty awesome. I'm excited that we have selected the winners. So yeah, we're just going to give people just a little bit of time to kind of mosey on in here as we kind of like let people know what's going on. And sorry, I've been I was a stacked cohort. I agree with that. Was a super stacked cohort. Totally agree. I think that that's a very important point to be making. As we kind of like step through this, we're going to be going over the winners here in a second. We had over 500 submissions. Freaking. So some of that was wild to like actually like step through. That's why like it ended up taking a lot longer to like actually step through and actually find some good people for this class and for this cohort. So we're going to give people just like another about like 1 or 2 minutes to kind of mosey on in, and then we will release kind of like what's going on here and who is the winner and all those different things. We have a couple winners here of people who like got into the AI engineering bootcamp that starts in a couple of weeks, and then also we will have the other people involved. Right, we'll have the you'll get a year of Addle. A year subscription of Addle Max. So should be pretty awesome. I'm excited to get this rolling. So yeah, we'll be starting here in about 30 seconds, and then we will be going through it. Should be pretty good. Yeah, welcome everyone who's joining. I'm glad that you guys could make it. So it's gonna be pretty freaking awesome. So good. Welcome everyone. This is the Vibe Coding winners circle. So the first winner, we're just gonna start from the top here. Like, so we have the absolute first winner here is gonna be, we have a guy, his name is Eric Summers. Eric Summers is gonna be the first winner. Congratulations, Eric. You're really awesome. So here, let me I'm gonna share my screen here. Just give me 1 second. Okay, cool. There we go. We got a screen up and rolling. I'm just gonna do we have this as a link? We should have the. Okay, so
this is very sparky.
Okay, here I'm gonna play the video. Just give me 1 second, y'all. Just gonna freaking, is there a way I can like download this and then. Okay, well we'll just, yeah, there we go. Awesome. Cool. Now I just gotta change the screen share and then we'll be there. Okay, like why is this? They changed the. Can I like? Okay, I want to just kill this. Stop screen sharing. There we go. They updated this. Okay, cool. There we go. So we're just gonna go and look at his demo real quick, and then we will we'll go from there. So where is the demo at? I just had it open. Okay, can we just open it here? Okay, cool. Here we go.
This is very Spark. It is what I call execution intelligence for analytics teams, helping manager prioritize what they need to discuss with their reports, and how to get things moving and unblocked in their projects. So here's the demo page. I've got the cards that can expand, have information about suggested next steps, downstream impact, why it was surfaced. Also a pre-built message that could be sent to Slack. I'm currently wired up Slack, it's not yet done. And then next tab is one-on-one prep help. So these are the things that your direct reports have worked on, what they're currently working on, what they might be blocked on, and how to discuss those things. Decision capture is when decisions are made outside of the normal channels and it's not recorded anywhere, so you can drop that in here. And then it also creates follow-ups and who you can talk to next. And tickets, we got tickets here. If I click on 161, that becomes the center in this tree map, and you can navigate around. And then we have some settings where you can hook up your integrations and things. So that's Priority Spark. Thanks for watching.
So that was amazing. That was really amazing. So congratulations, Eric, for freaking winning the first bit of the. So you're going to get a seat in the AI engineering bootcamp as well as a subscription to Addle. So congratulations, Eric. That's really amazing. Good job there. So and what we have, so we have our second winner here. So this is our second winner. There's a Abudhahir Mohammed. It's his name, I think. I don't know. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong, but that's going to be, this is the second winner. And we have, I think we actually have a live demo for this one that we can actually share. We have the live demo here. Yeah. I will, we will share this live demo with everyone else. So we have so you can actually see what's going on here. So if you guys want to check out the live demo for the other first place winner, because we have 2 first place winners, we have MorphDB .learnertech.dev. So this MorphDB automatically translates legacy SQL into modern cloud formats like Snowflake and BigQuery using AI. It wins because it targets a genuinely painful real-world problem. Database migrations traditionally take weeks of manual work, and MorphDB wraps the solution in a complete SaaS product with billing, admin tooling, batch processing, and a support system. So let's here, I'm just gonna I have MorphDB open, and then we're gonna share this project, and then we will go from there. So here's MorphDB, the legacy schemas, and so can we check the quick demo? So we have our SQL here, and we have okay, we're gonna translate from SQL Server to SQL Server to Snowflake. I hate SQL Server like the freaking Can it do BigQuery? Oh, it can do BigQuery too. What does BigQuery look like? I don't like the brackets in SQL Server. These tables are weird, right? Change brackets to backticks for BigQuery. Yeah, legacy DB.customers. Yeah, I like that. So that's pretty dope, right? And then it has oh, you can look at the different top and limit and Oracle to Postgres. So it literally will just translate all your SQL. It's pretty dope. So remember when you were designing things, you see how this is vibe coded and built out. It's pretty amazing how far people can get, right? That's gonna be the way to do it, right? So yeah, hit it out of the park, right? Totally agree. So I really appreciate the effort and energy that was put in by the students here to build this. This is just really, really awesome. I love it. That's going to be really, really great. So we also have 2 runner-ups who also were in place here. So we have we'll put the other name in here, and we will reach out to you guys. We have your email, so you'll get your rewards from the email. So we have Mario Racinos, I think Mario Racinos. So Mario created a thing called Restaurant SaaS. And Restaurant SaaS helps independent restaurants take orders online without paying the huge commissions that platforms like DoorDash, Grubhub, and Uber Eats charge. Instead of losing 20 to 30% of every order to a marketplace, restaurants get their own branded ordering page and can offer delivery through DoorDash Drive at a flat fee of $7 to $9 per delivery. Customers get the same ordering and delivery experience, and restaurants keep the profits. So it's pretty awesome that the Restaurant SaaS was there. So, we actually have let me get I actually have a live demo for this one as well. So are these still all first place? No, the first, we just went over Priority Spark and we went over MorphDB. Priority Spark and MorphDB were the first place winners. So now these guys are the runner-up winners who also get a subscription, right? So let's share the screen here. So I'm going to the Restaurant SaaS. So, okay, request access. It's not going to let me okay, I can't log in. It's not going to let me log in with a different Vercel account. Okay, I can't log into it. Okay, that's sad. Okay, well, that's why it's runner-up, right? They'll get that. And then we have, we have one more here for the last person who made a really awesome project here is Shravanti. So Shravanti created a project called Wealth Simple. So, Wealthview. Wealthview is a unified investment portfolio dashboard that connects all your exchanges and brokerages in one place. Does this have a demo? Okay, this one, hopefully this demo actually works. It should work. We will try. Okay, yeah, this demo looks solid. So, so here is Wealthview. This is what they vibe coded here. We say, we'll just try the live demo. Okay. Nice. Okay. Can I just try it with like, what the hell? Create. Failed to fetch. Okay, so the demo doesn't work, but like the idea here is great, and like the front end here is freaking fantastic. It's freaking amazing, but the login is not working. So that's like why like this idea, this one actually has like the vision here is really good. I just think that like if it had a little bit more functionality, this probably would have been a winner. But that's another thing to be thinking about, like about all, like you see how there was just so many different projects that you could have potentially like executed on as like you're going through. So I just want to say again to everyone, congratulations to Eric and Abu Tahir, and then we had Mario and Shravanti. Like you guys really knocked it out of the park. It's crazy to think that like this is something that you can just bash out in 2 days. You know what I mean? And it's something that like I'm very impressed with like where the world is going. And so I'm excited. It's going to be really, really great. It's going to be really, really awesome. So I'm excited to see where the world's going to be heading. And but like I also just wanted to set aside a little bit of time here to just understand what people liked and like about the vibe coding course, because we want to do definitely some more AI, and we're going to be doing more hackathons and vibe coding challenges. And that's going to be another big thing that is on the horizon. Teaching AI is the future in a lot of ways. I'm really excited about it. So it's going to be awesome. Roshan saying, Zach, upload some Scratch course for data engineer. Absolutely not. Like I already have 40 hours of content on YouTube that you can use. And like, if you can't use ChatGPT to teach yourself the basics, you're not going to make it. You're not going to make it. And then you can teach yourself the basics and then you'll go further, right? Any notable mentions? So like there was a lot more, like just a lot of, so those are the 4 that like we mentioned in there. Like we needed to put more voting and like having a better demo day. Like we need to like, the problem with that is that like there's just so many people in here that we can't do a demo day like a normal demo day at a hackathon, because there was 500 submissions. And like if we gave each person freaking 2 minutes to do a demo, then we will be here for 20 hours, right? It's a long time, right? It's a lot of freaking energy to be thinking about, right? So we're trying to figure out how to do more like large scale hackathons that are online like this. And this is, yep, V1. I'm excited to see what happens, right? And like to everyone who, gave it your all, like I really appreciate your energy, and I hope that like it inspired you to see like software engineering is changing in a very, very foundational way, right? It's not like a lot of it now is about spec driven development. A lot of it is around like, can you describe your product correctly? And the better you can describe your product, the faster you can build it now, and you aren't as constrained by how much code you can write, right? Yeah. That's a lot more entries than I expected. Yeah, I mean, we had freaking 5,000 people who ended up signing up. So like, yeah, 10% of people actually submitted a project. Some great projects. I was really impressed by how quickly and easily I got to site up with spec design and how Adel could one-shot big problems. Yeah, I mean, and Adel and all these different coding tools out there are really giving us superpowers, right? Really giving us superpowers. And like if you are able to use these tools, like you can build whatever you want. Like, and it's something that like is really amazing, because like I'm trying to get more into getting like more features and more product stuff into Data Expert, because I know that Data Expert is getting there. And like I love to vibe code, I love to create, I love to do all these things. And so like I'm really excited for you guys to like be able to win and show up here. And like remember that like through this AI journey, it's like if you're here vibe coding and you're building products, like you are safe. You are safe, right? AI, you are winning, right? Because I know a lot of people are scared about like AI automation taking jobs and all that stuff. But like what I'm trying to say is that like you can get so far, right, by yourself now. Right. Yeah. It's freaking awesome. Yeah. Lucas, thanks so much for putting this together, man. Great stuff. Yeah. I mean, it's going to be great. I want to do more. I think that there is like the education piece now. Like I have a much clearer, I mean, my second day when I was wiring up the back end, I was just winging it. I was just straight up winging it. Right. And like now I have a much better way of like thinking about how to systematically vibe code things. And so like hopefully that was useful. Right. Got workflow to dev and deploy through the CLI with Adel going. That's amazing, Josh. I'm really, really proud of you for freaking making it, right? It was like, it's like one of the things that's so weird is that like I was trying to demonstrate with this hackathon that like software engineering is different now. Like it is different. But we also see like even with vibe coded apps, like you still have to like do the QA. And we saw like, you know, even with like when I added the GitHub authentication with Supabase, we saw like that was a big snafu, right? And there's still like some configuration things, but even that stuff is moving along. Even that stuff is moving along. Like, and we're gonna see like in the future, this is gonna get even easier. It's gonna get. It's not like we are going into a world where it's gonna be more difficult again, right? And so, like, just remember that. Remember, like, you're feeling like how you're feeling right now. Like you should be feeling accomplished. Whatever you built, be proud of it. Put it on your resume, put it on your portfolio, right? Make sure that like you display it and show it off, right? Yeah. Do you check my ride sharing project? So I couldn't go through all the projects. I had my team look at the stuff. So like your project definitely got looked at. Like, do you have a link, Synanth? Like, if you have a link that you can share, like I can show it off right now. If you guys have any links I'm proud that you want to show, anyone in here who's like really proud, like I also am down to show off your projects, right? Like, because that's what we have the time here for. I'm here for about another 20 minutes, so we can kind of share, right? Like, so yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Like I'm excited to see what we end up doing here, and like should be good times. Should be a good time, right? Like just be building, right? Keep building, keep creating, right? Never thought I'd be able to put a functional demo in a few hours with zero Next.js knowledge, right? And you can, right? And it's like because the models are really good now. The models are really awesome, and if you have like the capability to describe things, you're well on your way to success. You know what I mean? Well on your way to success, and that's going to be the kind of the way to be thinking about things, you know? So like, yeah, it's going to be a really good time. I'm excited to see where all this is going to go. Right. And I hope you guys understand, like, if you keep hacking, right, you keep building on it, right, and you keep adding more, right, not just a 2-day thing, right? You like Claude Code or Codex more nowadays? I don't answer that question. Like, I don't jump between them. I'm not like, I don't fucking dabble in every single AI project. Like, I don't do that. Like, so for me, like, I use Adel with Opus. So I use Claude Code more, right? I guess, but I use Adel and Opus, not Claude Code, the tool. I use Adel. So checking out all these projects, I think I need to step up my front end skills, mostly working in back end DevOps SRE. This was hard, but easier than a few months ago, right? It's like, it's just the freaking React front end stuff is such a mess, right? And like I've always hated CSS. Like CSS has always been something that like I have like just a hard time with, right? So yeah, definitely that's one of the things, right? So oh, Mario, you shared that with me on LinkedIn. Oh, okay, cool. I can actually share the restaurant one here. Let me share this. We did not actually go into this guy. So thank you, Mario, for actually sharing this with me on LinkedIn. So here we are. Stop paying for 30% to delivery platforms. This is like his front end. This is a great front end, honestly. Like freaking, like I like this. And you can like see how much you would save, right, with compared to DoorDash fees. So let's try it. Is this Clerk? Oh wait, no, it's not. Field demo credentials signed in. Is it gonna work? Come on. Come on. Okay, cool. It actually worked. It's just a little slow. Oh, it's like change the password. And I'm like, okay. And then in here, you have like your orders. Okay. And then there's orders and you can cancel and you can show the tracking. Well, this is pretty dope. Oh, and then what does this do? That opens up. Oh, that opens up like an actual DoorDash tracking link. That's freaking awesome. Well, that's wild. That's freaking wild. Like, you know what's so weird about that? Like DoorDash tracking link. So like when you click that tracking link, it actually goes here. You know what's so weird is like you see this like this house, this little home. Like I lived like right here. This is where I lived. This was my home in San Francisco. So like you guys, Mario, like why are you ordering food to my home? Like stop it. Like but it's amazing. I mean, this SaaS product is really good. It's really awesome. Like, does it have do these other pages open? Or then you have like an analytics of like how much you saved, and you have a settings page. Okay, then an orders page, and then the menu, right? And then in this menu, you can put like, oh, you can mark as unavailable. Oh, okay, that's dope. It actually works. Okay, yeah, this one is really functional. This one actually has like a pretty solid UX to it. So yeah, congratulations, Mario. Thanks for sharing that with me, so we could actually like see your project too. So what's Addle? Addle was the coding agent that we used with for this vibe coding hackathon, right? Can make an account, book something, preset resources, and make a payment. Stripe hosted, right? And that's like all the hard parts, all the hard engineering parts are done, right? They're all done. So like that's the big thing you got to be thinking about as you're like going through the world, right? So all right, well, it's 4:30, so thank you guys. I just wanted to go through, have some vibe coding stuff there, celebrate some people. Congratulations to all the winners. Like I really appreciate everyone's